What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing the Riddler from Batman. Let's get started in the center of our page with the upper eyelid. We're going to leave a gap in the center. Let's start over on the left side. We're going to curve this up and then out. Let's line this up on the right side, going up and out towards the right. Let's go back to the inside and curl up the brow. Starting on the left, come in and then up. And then we'll tuck the eyes in underneath the eyelid. Starting on the left, step in, draw a half circle. Coming down, round up the eye, and then pull that in. Now we're going to line up with the bottom edge of the eyes, move to the center, and draw in the nose. We're going to start on the left, come down, and then up. Let's move down and draw in the mouth. We're going to start over on the left, come down the middle, and then back up, and then we'll add a bracket to the corners of the mouth. Move back to the center, step down, draw a straight line going across for the lower lip. Let's go out to the side and draw the lower half of the head. From the outside of the left eye, we're going to step out, curve down, underneath the mouth, go across, and up on the right side. Let's go back in and draw the bottom edge of the mask. In the center, start with a point. From here we'll curve out and then down towards the left and right side. And then from the bottom, we're just going to curve the mask going out and up towards the side of the head. Now we're going to move back up to the top and draw the bottom edge of the hat. We're going to start all the way over on the left side. Just going to bend this down above the eyes, across, and then up. Let's round out the side of the brim, just pulling that back in. And we'll connect the top with that same curve. Coming down the middle, and then back up. Let's go back and finish off the side of the head. Starting on the left, I'm just going to bump this out and then up underneath the hat brim. Let's go back to the side of the head, curve the mask going up and in underneath the hat. Let's bring the mask down in the center. We're going to start right in the middle with a point, curve this up and out underneath the hat. I'm going to move out to the side and draw in the ears. From the side of the head, step up, curve the ear going up, down, and then in towards the side of the head. Now we're going to add some folds inside the ear. Starting on the left, curve up and out with a short line. Go back to the inside, curve out, and then hook that in. Let's draw on the top of the hat. We're going to line up at the side of the head, go up towards the top of the brim, draw a half circle. We go up, round up the top, and then just bring that down on the right side. Let's add that band across the top. Starting on the left, just follow that same curve, coming down and then up. Now we're going to move down and draw on the side of the body. Let's start over on the left side, underneath the head, curve the body going out and then down towards the hip. Line this up on the right side, come down towards the same height. Now pull the jacket coming in, down and in, leaving a gap in the center. Pull that up and in with a straight line towards the middle. From that center point, we're going to draw a straight line going up towards the collar. And then we'll curve the collar going out and up towards the left and right side. Halfway along this line, we draw a short angled line coming down towards the side. And then from the end, curve down and in towards the center. Let's draw on the top of the collar. Halfway along this line, angle up and out, and we'll go straight up underneath the head. Let's go to the center and add the collar and the tie. Right underneath the chin, angle down and out towards the left and right. Then from the side, angle down and in towards the bottom of the knot, close off the end with a straight line. And then from the bottom corners, angle down and out underneath the jacket collar. Let's add 2 small buttons on the right side of that center line, starting from the top and then the bottom. Let's go out to the side and add 2 pockets. Starting on the left, straight in, line this up on the right, come down with a short line, and then go straight out towards the side of the body. Now we're going to continue working down with the legs. In the center, let's step down and draw a curve from left to right. And then leaving a small gap in the center, go to the left side, curve the leg going out and down towards the left heel. Go to the right, go out and down towards the right heel. Let's round out the bottom of the feet. Starting from the heel, curve the foot, coming down and then up towards the toes. And then from the toe, we're going to curve the top of the foot. Just going to go up. Just going to bend this down, aiming towards the heel. Stop right about there. And then we'll bend that back up towards the inside of the leg. Let's go back up to the hips and draw the outside of the leg. From the left hip, step in, curve the leg going out, and then down on top of the foot. Let's add a thick sole along the bottom of the feet. We're going to take this curve, step up, just trace that across towards the heel, and from heel to toe. Now we're going to move back up and draw on the arms. Let's start with the arm on the left holding the cane. We start underneath the head on the left side, curve the arm coming down, and then out towards the wrist. And then from the wrist, we'll draw the top of the thumb, going up and then down. Round up the tip of the thumb, and then go back up. And then we'll add the palm, coming down and in with a short line. Let's stack 3 fingers on the outside. Starting from the outside of the thumb, draw a half oval, going out and then in, come down, do that again. Tuck this up underneath the thumb. We'll do that one more time. Now we're going to layer the cane in behind the hand. Let's start from the top, draw 2 straight angled lines, going up on the outside, step in, draw that twice, close off the end with a straight line. Now we're going to continue these lines underneath the hand, coming down in an angle, all the way down towards the bottom, line up the inside, close off the end with a straight line. Let's add a circle along the bottom, starting on the left, go all the way around, and then back up. Let's add a circle along the top. Let's add that large question mark along the top of the cane. Starting from the left side of that circle, curve out, and then in. And we're going to draw what looks like a circle, going all the way around, down. I'm just going to hook that up. And then from the inside, we're just going to work our way back around towards the bottom. Just going to taper this around, up towards the top, and along the inside, pull that in. I just want to swirl this around, coming around and up, and then tuck that back in towards the right side of that circle. Let's go back and finish off the arm. Starting from the wrist, curve the hand coming in, down, and then out in behind the cane. Let's step up, draw the arm coming in and up behind the body, and we'll draw the sleeve. Stepping in, just follow that same curve coming down. Let's line up the inside of the arm on the right side, curve the arm going out and then down towards the wrist. And then from the wrist, draw a half circle for the thumb, close off the end with a bracket. Now we're going to add 3 fingers. Starting from the bottom of the thumb, come down and then up around that bracket, step down, go out and up. Now the 3rd finger, we're going to go out, pull the arm coming up and in underneath the head. Let's add in the sleeve. Starting from the top of the thumb, go out and then up, step up, draw that twice. Let's add that question mark pattern across the top and bottom. We're going to start on the left arm, start with that question mark going around, and in, and down, and add that dot. I'm just going to repeat this pattern working our way towards the right. So just in random areas of the body. and then work our way on the right side. And then work our way down the legs, starting back on the left. And one more along the bottom. And that's pretty much it. There's the Riddler from Batman. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.